What is gluten sensitivity?
Gluten sensitivity refers to discomfort or adverse symptoms caused by eating foods containing gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. Unlike celiac disease, gluten sensitivity doesn't cause detectable damage to the intestines. Still, it can cause bloating, fatigue, and other gut issues. But is there a genetic link? Let's explore how our genes might play a role.
The genetics of celiac disease.
Celiac disease is an autoimmune condition that requires a genetic predisposition. Two genes, HLA-DQ2 and HLA-DQ8, are found in nearly all people with celiac disease. However, simply having these genes doesn't guarantee you'll develop the condition. This illustrates that while genetics play a crucial role in celiac disease, environmental factors are also involved.
Non-celiac gluten sensitivity, the mystery.
Non-celiac gluten sensitivity shares symptoms with celiac disease, but doesn't involve the same immune response or gut damage. So far, scientists haven't identified clear genetic markers for non-celiac gluten sensitivity. This makes it different from celiac disease, as there's no definitive genetic test to diagnose or predict it.
Why genetics still matter?
Family history can increase your risk for gluten-related disorders. Studies show that people with relatives who have celiac disease are at higher risk. But non-celiac gluten sensitivity doesn't show the same genetic inheritance pattern. For most, lifestyle and other factors probably play a much bigger role in gluten sensitivity outside of celiac disease.
Should you get genetic testing?
Genetic testing for celiac disease is available and may be useful if you have symptoms or a family history. However, genetic tests cannot diagnose gluten sensitivity outside of celiac disease. If you suspect gluten is causing symptoms, talk with a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and guidance.
Key takeaways.
Celiac disease is strongly linked to certain genes, but non-celiac gluten sensitivity is not. Most gluten intolerances cannot be traced directly to your DNA. Understanding your symptoms and talking to a doctor is the best way to find answers about gluten and your health.